many chicks are there, Gracie?
4. This one's about to hatch.
So 3 more hatched since last night. Since the lonely chick yesterday.
Don't you get on top of that. Are they trying to help? Yes. Or are they? Because I did it again. And I got 25. Why? That one's, no, it's not yours. It's just named. Ready? Set. No. I have to get into position where I can spray both eggs. Get that one! Grab it. Got them! Lid back on. And on. Oh, we did it! Yes! Okay, we did it. That was hard. The eggs are safe, so we got them wet to make sure they were okay while we're doing that. This is amazing. Let's go.
I'll get a few more. Grace put this little waterer together because we can't find one of our chick start waterers. Hopefully we'll find it, but the chicks are leaving on Friday, so they just need it for a few days. She filled it with water and apple cider vinegar, just a dash because it's not much water, and marbles so that they don't drown. The apple cider vinegar will just help boost their health. We put paper in the bottom of the brooder instead of hay because I was afraid it would burn, and this is a lot easier to clean. So Gracie, why did you dip their beaks in the water?
So that they know how to eat and to drink.
So they know where to find it, right? You just dip their beaks right in, and then they know. Look, Wilder.
The last time we tried to
eat it. You don't eat chickies, at least not when they're little. So I think we should put the chicks down and just let them acclimate and not be stressed out for a little while, okay? And we can go finish school and then take a look at them.
Yeah. That one's really interesting.
Oh yeah, that one's already eating. Good job, Chickie. Let's go, guys. Let's go finish school. Two of those chicks, if they're hens, may lay olive eggs because their dad was a brown egg layer and their mom was... No, you're going to naps. Their dad was a brown egg layer and their mom laid those beautiful green speckled eggs. So pretty sure when you cross those, you get olive eggs. Is it too hard and too distracting to go do schoolwork?
Yeah.
Still gotta do it. We gotta do math and handwriting.
Now we have all these chickens out here, but we have a problem. They're not really laying eggs that we can find. And this time of year, they should be laying already. Grace wants to start a new batch of chicks to either keep or sell as this little micro industry for her as soon as these others are out of the incubator, but we don't have any eggs. Here is the stall that these chickens lay in and come in the bad weather. We're not getting any eggs, and it makes us wonder, are the chickens even laying or are they eating their eggs? And if they're eating their eggs, is it because they don't have the best laying facilities out of the way? Fancy running into you here, bud. We need to get these chickens some new nesting boxes. And my idea is to pull this off of this old busted up chicken tractor and transfer these nesting boxes, which are pretty nice. I'm just trying to figure out how I even built this thing. I don't remember. I think I put those nesting boxes on there like 5 or 6 years ago. We got the nesting box off. I thought about putting it right there on the outside of the chicken stall so we could just come and lift the lid and grab our eggs, but you know what? It would take up a lot of space out here. That's space we don't really have out here in this goat milking area, and space that we do have in here. So we're gonna put it right over here. I don't know exactly the best height, but I'll tell you what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to keep eggs out of reach of just wandering, egg-eating chickens. And I'm trying to keep it low enough that they can just hop into it. And I know they can hop this high. I'm gonna go up just a few more inches here. All right, you think we need more than one screw?
Yep.
Next, we're gonna put this board in here to close off these entrance spaces to make them a little more cozy and keep eggs from rolling out. Next, I'm going to put this lid on here. There's two reasons for the lid. One is to keep it nice and dark inside. The main thing here though, and the reason I'm putting it at an angle, is to keep chickens from just perching and pooping on top of here. I think this is enough angle that they will not get on here, because that metal's pretty slippery. They don't like that, they'll slide off. And last, we'll just throw some nice clean hay in each of these to make them nice and cozy. That's a huge improvement. I hope this is gonna help us get some more eggs from our chickens. We'll just have to watch, make sure they can get up there, see if the bantams can get up there. We'll see about that. I've got the baby. Bree came out to the barn. We're moving pigs for our other video today. You wanna see that nesting boxes? Oh,
Yeah, I'm really excited.
She just saw him, but she's gonna act. She's a really good actress, so she's gonna have a really genuine, awesome reaction.
So much better.
Oh, what do you think?
I think I'd sleep in there. I'd have a baby in there.
Really?
Clean hay. That's so nice. That's so much nicer. I think they're gonna like that a lot better.
Hopefully they'll eat eggs in them less.
We don't even know if they're eating eggs though.
True. That's very true.
Hopefully they'll enjoy laying eggs in there too, and maybe even get broody.
Oh, that'd be fun.
I don't know. Those are really nice. It's really nice.
This miracle blows my mind. Out of an egg comes a chick. And that moment of hatching, just like the moment of birth with a human, it's truly incredible. The chick, if I put him back in this egg, if I stuffed him back in there and closed the lid, it would suffocate instantly. But somehow it makes this transition in just a few minutes from being in the egg and not needing those levels of oxygen to being outside and just breathing. And I'm just thankful we've gotten to witness this yet again. And we have 5 healthy chicks so far. Better put this one back before I get in trouble. Okay. You guys are adorable. There's just 2 green eggs left in this incubator. We'll see how that goes. We'll let you know. We'll give them at least another day, maybe another 2 days in there. Well, thank you so much for joining us. It's been another great day on the homestead. We're moving forward, setting goals, moving towards our dreams in new ways. Hope you all have a great day. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for your time.